Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the Ola S1 Pro is powered and parked. Safety first. Once done, make sure your phone's Bluetooth is on and set to discoverable so devices can find each other. Next, on the scooter, press and hold the dedicated Bluetooth or pairing button until the LED flashes rapidly. This indicates pairing mode. You do this now because the scooter won't appear to your phone until it broadcasts a pairing signal. After the LED flashes, move to your phone to select the scooter from the device list. You open your phone's Bluetooth settings and start scanning. The Ola S1 Pro should appear as a nearby device. Once you see Ola S1 Pro, tap it to pair, and if prompted, confirm the PIN or accept the pairing request. This is how devices verify identity and prevent accidental connections. After accepting, watch for the connected status on your phone and listen for a short confirmation tone from the scooter, which indicates a secure link. If the phone shows connected, make sure the scooter app also recognizes the connection before continuing. You finalize the setup by opening the Ola app and confirming the scooter appears as connected. This ties firmware controls and ride features to the Bluetooth link. Then test any audio or notification routing if you plan to use media. Play a short clip to verify output. Make sure firmware updates are not blocking features. If something still fails, the quickest fix is to restart both the scooter and your phone, clear old pairing entries, and repeat pairing. This soft reset resolves most connectivity mismatches. Try it before deeper troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.